Hi, we're Art and Bree. 4 years ago, we left the city to buy a 100-year-old farm to turn it into our own productive homestead where we can grow our own food, build a healthy life, and raise our kids just how we like. If you want to join us in our homesteading adventure on our small farm, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. A beautiful biscuits and gravy for breakfast. Our chores are done, and now it's time to jump into our morning work period. Well, we gotta eat first. My goals for the day are perhaps way too big. My goal today is to try to get this area ready to grade. It's actually a pretty big job. I'm probably biting off more than I can chew today. That shed is gonna be lifted up, set on skids. This bush needs to go, that bush needs to go, and move junk out of that shed. This is actually a quince bush, and it has to come out because it's in the path. It'll block any very large trucks coming in to the house. It's the way that they'll get into the yard. And I'm gonna cut it by hand because I don't want to get in the dirt too much with my chainsaw. Look what I found, a key in the bush that goes to a padlock. This actually is hard because it's hard to cut right along the soil. I'm trying to make it almost flush with the soil surface, but there's dirt all up in between all those little trunks of the tree. Or the bush. Let me have those. Yeah, well, we're just doing one at a time. One thing at a time. Really more trees than that one. I know you don't like it when things change like that, but it's all good. It's all towards a very good end. That will benefit you a lot.
But it's funny. A big one. They love it.
I told you what's on my list. Do you think that my list of goals for the day is completely unreasonable?
Yeah, okay.
Take down the clothesline, cut the vines down, put the shed on skids.
I don't think you'll get the shed on skids because you have to go to town to get skids.
Okay, you may be right that I took on too much with the shed, but I'm just going to see what I can get done. Where are you going?
I'm just going to go run errands.
Oh, have fun.
I'm trying to get all my homeschool stuff organized, finished, organized today and tomorrow, and I need paper to print out some stuff for their history.
I'm trying to make sure there's no rocks in here before I start cutting this further down with the chainsaw. I don't think I hit any rocks, no sparks.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the
guys, I don't want a big fire here. I want a very small focused fire. We're doing this for one reason, and that is to get rid of this stump base here and flatten it out. And I want you guys to all put your shoes on now.
I don't want to sit.
Bit by bit, we're moving through this job. It just feels like it's happening in slow motion, but we're doing it. I about have a truckload, and that's just gonna have to do for now. I don't think it'll get in the way like that. The grader might be able to pull it out for me. Even though it feels like I've not got nearly enough done for it to be supper time, it's supper time. So I'm gonna join the family and eat with them. So I'll see you in a second. Supper time. That looks good. What do you call that?
Salad.
Sneeze?
Salad? Are you talking about the casserole?
Yeah.
What are we gonna call it? Are we gonna call it taco casserole or nacho casserole?
Or are we gonna call it meat that we've been having every day for the last 3 days?
It's true. They've been eating it the last 3 days, but it's been in different kinds of meals every time. You've had it as chili, you had it as tacos, you had it as stuffed peppers, and now you're having it as casserole.
And it's all been delicious.
And it all has been different and delicious.
I see that you're reading your Bible there. That's good.
We read a psalm to start dinner.
Oh, good. And how did your homeschool prep go today?
It's going. It's going. I'm glad I started. I mean, I've been prepping for a while, but I think I'll get it done. We're gonna start Monday. We'll start with a very easy, light day on Monday. So I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna be fine.
So Arthur, how do you feel about the work you've gotten done? Well, it feels like it's just slow motion, and it's going really slowly.
I think you'll finish today. What you set out to finish.
Not putting this shed up on skids.
No, but I knew that.
What else is there to do other than that? And take that brush
Take that
away.
pole out and pull that vine down.
I just have to this.
You guys are just like angels, eating so perfectly.
Yeah.
Stop! What are you doing?
What's he doing?
He's licking me like crazy.
He's chewing on your hand.
No, he's sucking on it. I mean, I don't know if I want him to be this friendly. You're not a pet. You're not a pet, okay?
What is it?
Look at him. It's actually really unsafe to turn your back because he can jump on you. Any cow will jump on you. Any cow would try to jump on your back because that's something that they do with each other. They do it all the time. So even though it's kind of funny that he walks behind me like that, I try to be careful and be very aware of what he's doing to make sure I don't get jumped on. He's very heavy and strong. He could really hurt me.
Do you want to play a game?
Yeah. What?
It's called the Sword in the Stone.
I have a sword. I have.
See who gets to be king or queen. So the sword in the stone is right there. Who can pull it out?
We're gonna do it all together. We need
We're taking out this old clothesline. I want to see if the kids can pull that pole out of the ground.
It's done. I don't know. Oh yeah. Come on, see it. Come on and see it. Whoa, get away, little brother. I'm towards it. I'm trotting towards to go. Wait. What you're? Because of the giant bad. Watch out, he's trying to bite you. Dad's helping us, but that's the homestead at here, but he's helping us, right?
Don't touch my camera.
But finish. Ow!
How did you do that? Did you touch this right here?
No. I was him so bad.
That's why you couldn't just pull it out, because of that thing right there. Whew. Next I've got to get rid of this brush and then this giant vine. Well guys, I think I'm done for this evening. I wish I would have gotten more done. Honestly, I bit off more than I could chew today. But I've got to quit. It's getting dark. This camera actually makes it not look dark. That's a little bit more what it's like. A few things that I was able to get done today that I was happy about. Progress on the house. Getting dumpsters switched out. I wanted them to bring me 2, but we miscommunicated and they brought me 1. But they're pretty quick on their turnaround, at least as of this week. I talked to the guy who's going to grade it, and he pretty much just said, let me know when you're ready and I'll come out and start working on it. So that's really great, and he's not far away, so should be able to dig ditches. I can fill them with gravel or get gravel. He can come back and fill them. I guess it doesn't really matter if you meet your goals if you're constantly making progress. It still just bugs me though that I feel like I'm slipping behind every day, and I'm already behind, so it's kind of painful to slip behind every day. But on the other hand, I got stuff done that I should have done forever ago. I got it done, and I'm planning on getting up in the morning and just jumping back onto this. I'm just gonna leave my truck right there, take my chainsaw in, and come back out in the morning. All right, guys. Good night, kids.
Good night.